وحروان أنا جالبا نرجو هالسؤال روينا فيديو سؤال شاسوها وحكى لما أها وأرك دونتين وأمغر دونتين say something about my friends.
Yeah guys, he's the man. Nothing about it. Say no more. You know how we do it all day, every day, bro.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe, comment. Yo, one question. Who is best Keban in YouTube?
Atrishu Bedia Nudin Care.
Oh my god.
My guy. He's best Keban.
I love that guy, bro. Yeah, of course I watch that guy.
Okay.
Yeah, watch his
محمد داس قاعد مساركري وجدين نودين كيل يو أتريش بديو أنا اللي بتاع وحنا لا هاي لما أنا هو يوتيوب وجوه استوى keep going say something نودين كيل.
Nudin Care, bro. You're doing a great job. Just continue. Just don't stop, man.
So
high, so high.
Keep moving.
أتريش بديو.
Atrishu Bedia, you're the best, man. We love you, man. We love you. Seriously, we love you.
قالوا تدريش بادي أدنى هرو سعداء عدوينا وجبين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. كسور دبادة جانر كيجا.
يرام باي.
ما أنتو حاربنا يرى ساحبنا هني و هل كان سكوبرني قبل ميشان سوبرنا أنتاليا. Not from Somalia. From Ghana. وحده دور مر وحده هي. Somali food بدونها. Somali food راشين كيف أو Somali سبيواي. وقال يا كبت الفنتين ما أنت حاربنا وحير إناس سومال فوت يعني سيدو يهي سلو كل بحكوا عزومنا ربنا أدو إلهي كرار ناخذ هذا السيا أسوعنا إن شاء الله أسوودنا حافظة كينينا ما أنت زانو عزوما فنتين يعني الله هي channel كينا سبسكرايب لايك شير كومنتي كل يحرمنا إني درتينا وحكونا عني ما نعشونينو ما معناها عاجسينو ما نقول بواحد سدوينا دوله كرام نقول إن شاء الله هذا أنا رسعدون ترجي
عن
سوري أركتاشيلار كونشن
السلام عليكم نرى الله خاتم
يوتيوبر
لا
يوتيوبر أفد
عدنا
إيران بوي
İrem?
İrem boy.
İrem bu.
Evet.
Tamam hadi görüşürüz.
Kolay gelsin. Say something.
Vlogging bro.
My vlog you are it's you.
Oh, my days.
Yeah.
Bro.
Say
He's the
something.
realest.
He's
The
the
realest. Is that
Yeah.
I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like and subscribe. That's all. Say no more.
Say no more. Thank you.
My day just alone and bored. That's how you feel. You went so far away. You should give us a chance, please be kind. I need to see you just one last time. You should give us a chance, we'll feel alive.
Welcome Somalian food my nigga.
Okay.
Sit here. So for this
Bro, I don't do camera.
Yo.
Always will meet again, it's time to care. We should just share love one day. Mine, mine, mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine. Hey, just alone and bored. That's how you feel. You went so far away. You should give us a chance, please be kind. I need to see you just one last time. You should give us a chance, we'll feel alive. I hope one day, somehow, always we'll meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, always we'll meet again. It's time to care. We should just share love one day. Mine.
Bro, I can eat a whole lot of the soup. Like I can eat it. Something like that. A whole bowl or something. I can eat a whole bowl of sugo. Yeah, just by myself. Yeah, I can eat it. I really loved it. Sugo!
يا سوغلا وتاغي أفاتي. إبليس كاس.
لكن سوغلا ويك لا تهي يا. قصدك عندي اسمع لي بس.
سوغ متى على مرة.
سوغ متى قبل اسكسينا.
عقبال.
سوغلا ما أنت عنا نكان
وكدي لا يا والله.
أنا كم سنة يا خبتاس.
Thank you so much. I'm down with that.
من داون دونتا إن شاء الله أسمو. أقوى أنا كلي لاب. Say something. Asma. Do you know Asma?
What's that?
Asma is cooking.
Yeah, Asma.
Yeah.
Sugu.
Say something to
Asma, you are the best. We love the sugu.
Yeah.
Seriously, bro. I'd love to come back some other time to try something.
Okay.
You are the best cook ever.
Thanks.
It's not like I'm exaggerating or something. Seriously, I mean it. You are the best cook.
Right. Thanks, bro.
thanks bro waynu ku maqli doontaa waynu ku mahadceli doontaa hadduu ilaahay karaamo asma waa maqluusaa waxaa tahay lagu dhahay kuukarka ugu wanaagsan
Sugada aan ka cabsado.
sugo
Sugu. Asma sugu is the best.
Yeah, bro.
asma sugidaada waa ninkaan gacana u taagay
Oh my God.
Alhamdulillah.
alxamdulilah
Yeah. You said alhamdulillah.
Asma sugu is the best. You guys should come try it. Sugu. Sugu. Sugu.
soo dhawaada asxaabta ujeediin haddaa raashinka la cunay haddaa raashinka laga soo dhammaaday waa la dhirargey hadda ninkaana waxaa laga rabaa raashinka soomaaliga sidoo leeyahay inuu fiican yahay inuu xun yahay koley ninka cuna waa kana ma fahantiin raashinyaashana midka ugu macaay oo isleeyahay insha allah hawada weydiinayna
First of all, welcome.
Thanks, man.
So let's go and start for you. Introduce for yourself, our friends. Go ahead.
Hiram Poyo.
Hiram
So the whole
Poyo.
two, Hiram Poyo.
waa dhawahay brother labada eray soomaali waa jiraan
Okay, let's introduce for yourself where you come from. What's your name?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm Herbert, or you can call me Nana.
Nana.
Nana, yeah,
Okay.
simple. Nana.
Are you Maya?
I am Maya.
Okay.
Something like
nana
Okay, Nana.
your real name
Yeah, Nana is my real name.
Nice
You can call
name,
me
bro.
Nana,
Where you
yeah, no
from,
problem.
bro?
I'm from Ghana.
Ghana.
Ghana, in the
Which
west
city?
of Africa. I'm from Kumasi.
Kumasi. Not Accra.
Nah, not Accra. I can say I'm partly from Accra
Okay.
because my dad is from Accra. Okay, I can be from Accra too.
Okay, thank
But
you.
I like
bro.
to say I like to say I'm from Kumasi because that's where my mom is from.
Thanks. So this time we ate Somali food.
Mm-hmm.
So what's for you
do you first or you second
a second or
No.
first time?
This is my first time. I had
First
heard
time.
a lot about the Somali food,
Okay.
but I had never tried it.
Okay.
This is my first time.
Yo, do you like it? Which
Okay,
food do you like
so-
it? Sugar, rice, banana, everything about karbouche.
Yeah, I've got a lot of Somali friends and they've been telling me about rice and banana.
Rice and banana.
And yeah, they've been saying a whole lot.
Mooskii bariiska caana ku tiina maqlisiin
Soorta ma aha, dadka soorta dhahayan.
cambuladii ma cuntaa ma saxab leedin.
So I got a chance to try the rice and banana today, and guys, you wouldn't believe what.
This time we ate right. Okay. Which one do you like it?
Sugi.
Yes,
Sugi.
Bariiskii suugada.
Sugi, I love the sugi. I'm in love with sugi.
ninkaan sugo oo maasha allah la suubiyo u kala kacsan ma fahantiin
I can eat a whole bowl of sugi just by myself. Yeah, I love
It is
it.
delicious.
Bro, it's
Come
got like a
on.
variety of taste. They've got meat in there, tomatoes in there, beans, a whole lot.
Everything.
Yeah, everything is
Everything.
in there. Sugi,
Everything.
try sugi.
sugo one of the best
Yeah, one of the best.
Rice?
Totally best.
second
Yeah, the rice is second. Yeah, I would say the rice. The rice with banana.
Okay,
rice
bro.
banana
Let me tell me so Ghanaian food something about names.
Something about Ghanaian food. Names of some Ghanaian
what
food.
do you
Yeah.
famous you eating
The
Yes,
most-
yes, yeah.
The most famous Ghanaian food is called fufu.
Fufu.
Fufu.
Fufu.
And we've got something
fufu
like
like
fufu. We've got banku.
banku
Fufu, banku,
Fufu. Banku.
wache,
Wachi.
abetie,
Abatie.
and gobe.
Gobe.
The last one, gobe.
Okay, fufu. What made?
Yeah, fufu is made of plantain and cassava.
Okay.
cassava plantain
Banku.
I think you guys have plantain in Somalia, but I don't think you guys have got cassava.
Cassava.
Yeah, cassava. It's found only in Nigeria and Ghana, I think. Cassava.
Banku. What?
Banku is made of corn dough.
Kondo. What's
We use
kondo?
corn dough. It's called misir in Turkish.
Misir, yeah. I know,
corn
man.
dough. Yeah, I don't know how they do it, but
you don't know you eat like
yeah,
Yes, yes.
yeah, the banku is really nice. Banku and okra soup, and we've got fufu. You guys should try the fufu.
naana ma gabadha maanta macanta ku farmaciisatay kaaliska arag raashinka kala kacsanaay aan cunay oo ku farmaciisatay asma waaye what do you say asma is cooking
Asma's cooking was seriously the best. It's not like she's sitting here, so I'm trying to impress her or something. The food was really good. Sugi. Oh my
is
days.
best sugi
The best ever. The best I've ever had.
Like
The
it
best
that
food.
kusoo dhawaa markii lamaad waa jeclaa janaalkiisa muuqanasid
Masha Allah. Iyo marar badan ba.
iyo marar badan insha allah waa arki doontiin riwaayadooyin fara badan soo socdo challenge-yaal fara badan soo socdo
waxyaabo badan oo la idin kordhiyo doona asxaabta naga daalina naga caajisina macjumle
welcome every time to open hands insha Allah waa isla joogi doona ruwaayadooyin oo soo socdaan challenge-yaal oo soo socdaan hal ilo maxalida asxaabta
yo asxaabtaada waa salaama soo ugu dambeyn waxaan leenahay no motorway subscribe
Like, subscribe. You know how we do it all day, every day.
Yeah, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
كم مركب رسول هذه رجينا يلقى عاجزين فواحد من عين وكين دونا إن شاء الله.
peace and love
Yeah, peace and love.
Yeah.